He has a cute little tongue, I swear.
These pictures make pieces really clear. You guys staring at each other?
Dude, he's so cute, I swear. He's so cute.
You know something?
I think he's gonna eat now.
Is he stuffed?
No, he's not stuffed. He's just like not eating now.
I think he's shy and he's freaking out because I'm here.
I don't know. He doesn't really do this.
Oh yeah, I noticed that.
So is that what he usually eats?
Watermelon, lettuce, and hay.
That's awesome. He's so awesome.
On grass, on weeds, like the weeds on the ground.
Really?
Yeah, and then that's it.
Does he love you? How do you know?
I don't know. He follows me when I'm back down.
Oh, I think he loves you then. Just eat, dude. You're freaking awesome eating.
Am I supposed to be about it before or where?
Oh, should I get my clothes ready?
Okay.
I can't swim. That's really such a
You're mean still doing that to him. He's gonna fall. Watch out so you don't fall, please.
No.
Alright. Oh, he could slip on the juice of the watermelon and fall, so watch it.
He just gonna get the. He's just gonna sign in, right? And then I can probably see him later on. Is he gonna be a buffalo?
I guess.
A buffalo or a
I don't know. It's probably because I stuffed him.